Welcome again. After installing ReviewXpo, you might be thinking about how you are going to import reviews from your previous review app. No need to worry anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import reviews using a CSV file and increase the authenticity of your store. Let's see how it works. First, from the ReviewXpo dashboard menu bar, click on Import. After that, select the CSV file from your computer and click on Upload. Now from the modal window, map the columns in your CSV file with our requirements. After you have mapped the CSV file correctly, click on Import. Now your reviews will be imported automatically and you will be notified via email when the import is complete. It will take a very short time. So, in the meantime, let's check if the import history has been updated or not. Click on the Import History option you see in the right corner. Here, we can see that our import history has been updated and the status shows that the reviews have already been imported. Great! Now let's check our product review section. Here we go. We can see that ReviewXpo has already added our imported product reviews to the review section. Hope you are having a great time with ReviewXpo. If you have any queries at all or need any help, feel free to say hi over the live chat or submit a support ticket from our website. We'll be more than happy to help you.